Hello friends, welcome to UPSC Made Simple channel. We are in series of UPSC official answer keys for previous year questions. So this video is for 2013 UPSC question paper and its official UPSC answer key. We will briefly go through the questions, we will not discuss much. First question with respect to money bill, answer is A. Question number second, following statements is correct, answer is C, no procedure. Question number 3, match the following pairs. Answer is B, Atlas Mountain. Question number 4, rock cut architecture. Answer is C, 3 only. Question number 5, recombinant DNA technology. Answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 6, Chinese traveler. Answer is B, 2 and 3. Question number 7, which of the following is naturally found in India? Answer is A, 1, 2 and 3 and not spider monkey. Star tortoise, monitor lizard and pygmy hawk. Question number 8. Which of the following can be found as pollutants in the drinking water in some parts of India? Answer is C, 1, 3 and 5. Arsenic, fluoride and uranium and not sorbitol, not formaldehyde. Question number 9. With respect to Indian history, answer is C. Question number 10. With respect to mammals, answer is B, 1 and 3 only. Question number 11, answer is D, neither 1 nor 2. Question number 12, Attorney General, answer is C, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 13, byproducts of sugar industry, answer is C, 1 and 3. Question number 14, variations in the length of daytime, answer is D, revolution of earth on tilted axis. Question number 15, again some people have given different answers. So this is UPSC official answer key. Narmada river flows to the west while most other large peninsular rivers flow to the east. Why? So answer is A. A, that is 1 only. It occupies a linear rift valley. Question number 16. Planet Earth. Answer is C. Exists as groundwater. Question number 17. Match the following pairs. Correctly matched. Answer is A. 1 only. Question number 18. Dynamic changes, answer is D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Question number 19, constitutional bodies, answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 20, Tebna movement, answer is A. Question number 21st, parliament, answer is D, without the consent of any state. Question number 22nd, grasslands, answer is C, water limits and fire. Question number 23rd, with respect to sequence of ecosystems, answer is C. Question number 24. Contour bunding is a method of soil conservation used in. Answer is D. None of the above. Question number 25. With respect to PESA. Answer is C. To create autonomous regions in tribal areas. Question number 26. Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers Act. Answer is D. Gram Sabha. Question number 27. Improper handling. Answer is C. Molds. Question number 28, economic justice. Answer is B, preamble and DPSP. Question number 29, environment as e-waste. Answer is B, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6 only. Question number 30, acid rain. Answer is D. Question number 31st, food chain. Answer is A, 1 only. Question number 32nd, national park. Answer is D, none of the above. Question number 33, which of the above used as biofertilizer or biofertilizers? So answer is B, 2 only, nostoc only, not agaricus, not spirogyra. Question number 34, nitrogen to soil. Answer is C, 1 and 3. Question number 35, with respect to following state, lion-tailed macaque. Answer is A, 1, 2 and 3 only. Question number 36, Buddhist rock cut caves. Answer is B. Question number 37. Again, very interesting question. Most of the people have not given the correct answer, but this is UPSC official key. Which of the following describes best the concept of nirvana in Buddhism? Answer is A. Extinction of flame of desire. Question number 38. Constitution. Answer is C. DPSP. Question number 39. Simon Commission. Answer is C. Question number 40. Quit India Movement, Cripps proposals. Question number 41st, balance of payment. Answer is A. Question number 42nd, Reserve Bank of India, answer is D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 43, bank rate, answer is D, central bank is following a tight money policy. Question number 44, deficit financing, answer is economic development. Question number 45, which of the following characterize the people of Indus Valley civilization, answer is B, 2 only. And here we will see third statement, they employed horse-drawn chariots in warfare. So this was asked in 2017 or 18 UPSC prelims, right? So you can see some repetitions. So for 45th, answer is B, 2 only. Question number 46, answer is B, 2 and 3 only. Question number 47, Jain doctrine, answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 48, ecological niche. Question number 49, photochemical smog, answer is A. Question number 50, with respect to contraction of muscle, D, 1, 2, 3. Question number 51st, Parliamentary Committee on Public Accounts, answer is B, 2 and 3. Question number 52nd, with respect to Lodi dynasty and Babur took over period, so answer is B, 2 only. Question number 53rd, with reference to the food chains in ecosystem, which of the following kinds of organisms are known as decomposer or organism, right? So answer is B, 2 and 3 only, and not virus. Bacteria and fungi are decomposers. Question number 54, most important fishing ground, answer is C. Question number 55, equatorial forest, answer is D, 1, 2, 3. Question number 56, capital account, answer is B, 1, 2 and 4. Question number 57, mural paintings, answer is B, 1 and 2. Ajanta and Lepaksi, and not Sanchi Stupa for mural paintings. Question number 58, history of philosophical thought, answer is B, 2 only. Question number 59, parliamentary government, answer is A, 1 and 2 only. And again you will see similar kind of repetition in 2020 UPSC question paper. Question number 60, annual range of temperature in interior of continents is high as compared to coastal area. What is the reason or reasons? Answer is A only, 1 only. That is thermal difference between land and water. Question number 61st, characteristics of Indian coal, answer is A, 1 and 2 only. And you will see high ash content as one of the option in 2020 question. Question number 62nd, laterite soils of India, answer is C, 1 and 4 only. Question number 63rd, natural gas, answer is B, 2 only. Question number 64, with respect to kharif crops, answer is C, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 65, climate is extreme, B, Central Asian steppe. Question number 66, inflation, answer is A, 1 only. Question number 67, disguised unemployment, answer is C, marginal productivity of labor is 0. Question number 68, Council of Ministers, answer is B, 2 and 3. Question number 69, National Development Council, answer is B, 2 and 3 only. Question number 70, Chairman and Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha, answer is B, 2 only. Question number 71st, National Legal Services Authority, answer is C, both 1 and 2. And you will see same topic used by UPSC in 2020 question paper, National Legal Services Authority. They give 4 statements with some factual data. Question number 72nd, during the thunderstorm, the thunder in skies is produced by, answer is D, none of the above. 72nd, thunderstorm, answer is D, none of the above. Question number 73, tribe and state, answer is A, 1 and 3 only. Question number 74, correct sequence, answer is D. Question number 75, open market operations, answer is C. Question number 76, priority sector lending, answer is D, all of the above. Question number 77, maximum consumer of water, thermal industry, D. Question number 78, demographic dividend, answer is A, promoting skill development. Question number 79, cultural history of India, answer is A. Question number 80, Annie Besant, answer is C, 1 and 3. Question number 81, Ilbert Bill controversy, answer is C. Question number 82, rise in general level of prices, answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 83rd, foreign exchange reserves, answer is B, foreign currency assets, gold holdings of the RBI and SDR, and similar kind of Tanche related question in 2020. Question number 84, inflationary. Answer is D, creation of new money to finance budget deficit. Question number 85, supply of money remaining the same. Answer is B. Question number 86, fruits. Answer is C, rate of respiration is decreased. Question number 87, again we saw in 2012 similar kind of question. Which of the following are endangered species in India? And here if you see, consider the following fauna of India: gharial, leatherback turtle, swamp deer. Which of the above are endangered? And answer given by UPSC is A, 1 and 2 only. That's why I told you, whenever UPSC will ask endangered, you have to consider both critically endangered and endangered. And here gharial is critically endangered, they considered it as endangered. Leatherback turtle, at that time it was critically endangered, now it is vulnerable. So that's why answer is 1 and 2 with respect to that context. Right, so remember, whenever UPSC will talk about endangered, you have to consider both critically endangered and endangered. Right, and swamp deer is vulnerable, that's why it is not included in the endangered. So answer is A, 1 and 2 only. Question number 88, ball bearings. Answer is C. Question number 89, answer is C. Question number 90, rainbow. Answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 91st, many transplanted seedlings do not grow because. Answer is C, most of the root hairs are lost during transplantation. Question number 92nd, economic growth. Answer is C. Question number 93rd, with respect to viruses. Answer is A, 1 only. Question number 94, with respect to inhibit water loss. Answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 95, the known forces of nature. Answer is A, gravity is strongest of the 4. Question number 96, detect the existence of Higgs boson. Answer is A, 1 only. Question number 97, mycorrhizal biotechnology. Answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Somewhere you will see different answer. Question number 98, National Development Council. Answer is B. Question number 99, national income. Answer is D. Question number 100, with respect to assistant rural household. Answer is C, 1 and 3. Thank you very much for your support and your feedback. You can join our Telegram channel UPSC Made Simple and Telegram group Forum UPSC. I will provide the link below. Thank you.